Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, we are going to transform a colored video to black and white. So let's start. Now we have a video of a man walking and I wanted this video to be in black and white. So here, select this video, go to color tab and from this toolbar, you just click on color wheels. In color wheels, we have a value of saturation that is 50. We have to reduce this value to 0. And it will wipe out all the colors from your clip. To make black and white more natural, just go to this curve. Here, you basically have a graph of darkest pixel to the lightest one. Now if you pull any part of this video upwards, it will lighten the pixels. Now suppose I push the darkened pixels to down, it will darken more, as you can see here. And if I push this upward, it will lighten up the darkened portion. So to make it more natural, I will push this down so that the foliage here will appear more darker. Then I would simply add some more nodes to make the video more natural. And done. Now let's go back to the edit mode and play the video. And let's play the video. And you can see the video appears to be naturally in black and white. So in this way you can blacken out your clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to know how you can add subtitles to your video in DaVinci Resolve, please click the video at the top right corner of your screen. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment what other new videos would you like to watch in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.